life be like?
Say that after all I've done and failed to do, I feel like less than I was meant to be. What if I could fix myself? Maybe then I could get free. I could try to be somebody else who's much better off than me. But I need to remember this, that's when I'm at my weakest. That he made the lame walk and the dumb talk, and he opened blinded eyes to see that the sun rises on his side. Yeah, he knows how deep his desperate need, and the world waits for his heartaches to realize the dream. I wonder what life would be like if we let Jesus live through you and me.
Amen.
Only Christ can give you that new life. Only Christ can change you.